Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discuss to how to create Excel export CSV with multiple file and download it in Laravel 10. Let's start. First of all, this my gem server already started Apache and MySQLi. This my channel Error Solution code. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. This never missing new video notification. Let's first of all localhost PSP my admin open. PSP my admin open. This my gem server inside stdoc folder inside this book management system. This open the already Sublime text editor. This Sublime text editor successfully already open. This run localhost PSP localhost book management system. This project name book management system and route login successfully available. This login screen, let's click this database name is book management system. Let's check again. This database name is .env book name book management system. This database name, let's user table, click this user table. Open author@gmail.com. 1 means admin, 2 means author and 3 means is user. Let's copy this email ID author@gmail.com and login password 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 and click this show this password. Let's book list, click this book list click this. Inside this only single book available. This single book dummy data. This single book available. Let's book list. Click this book list. This number is a 2 number. Author means 2 number. Let's book table. Click this book table. Only single book is available. This single book. This let's project in public inside this image. Only this image is available. This image. Let's new create. Again next book name is a book title. This new time, this add inside this is a headphone and this quantity 1 and date is a today select. This date speaker is available today select and 7. Successfully 2 book add and this 2 ID create. This refresh this page is 2 means 2 means this user, this author user. This to log out, click this log out and this image is selected already. Add this. Let's next new user open this vipul code, copy this vipul code 28 ID. This is a author. Let's copy 28 number ni ID is available. Let's show password and book list open. No available any book. This book is available only 2 number. Let's new create this 28 book number ID. This vipul book. This dummy data add vipul book image select. This image is select this girls. This girl select and this 7 and this today date in this 7. Price and quantity 7. Successfully this book girls is add vipul book and refresh this page. Dummy data is add. This 28 is a add. Good working. This user is a login 28. This single book add. Again next new book add. Again next add data this inside. This book is this girls is available. Good working this book management system. Let's again this log out. This user new open this user, click this user and 29 Dhruvik coder, copy this and paste here and email name is password is add and click this login. This not available any book. This user 29 but book is not available. Not available book. Let's new book add. Click this new book. Book is girls. This book name. This second this girl select and this 10 this date is any, select this date and this 7 and insert this 29 is available, this single record is available, this single. Let's next again this one record, again this manpower and click this this manpower is this item is add 778, date is at 1 2 this 77 this price, and this 2 item add. Let's refresh this page. 29 is a 2 item add, good working. This 2 is 1, 28 1 and 29 and 2 available. This logout, click this logout and all images are available, this image all available is image. Let's log out, successfully log out and click this user and admin open. This admin open and this one means admin open and password 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 and click this login. List user, click this author list, inside this Excel button add. This is a 2 book add, 1 book add and 2 book add. This 2 and 2 and 1 book add. Let's this copy this route, copy and route inside web.php. Find this find successfully. This route is author controller inside index function. Author controller, open this author controller, backend inside author controller. This index function is available. This author inside this index function is available. This backend admin author and list. List resource view backend admin author and list. This file is a list. This new button add is this Excel export button. This new button add. A link, create a link means get method. URL this admin author, copy this admin author and CSV Excel file download. $.value ID, this value ID already passed. This ID is this ID, this user ID 1 2 28 29. This ID is passed. This get is a get record means this user table. This class name is btn success. btn success Excel CSV download and save file, download and save CSV file, download and save file. Successfully button is a add. This route URL, copy this URL, copy in ID pass and this a link means get method. Less author is available. This route get ID pass auth controller class and author Excel. Copy name and paste here in Excel save file. And this ID pass already, this ID pass. Copy this name and function create. Copy this name and function create author controller. This public function create and $ID pass echo $ID and save file. Let's check, refresh this page. This 2 number 28 29 this ID. Let's all available. This click this 29 is available. Good working 29. Let's back button, click this again. 28 working, not working, good working. This 28. Let's check this last two. All good working. Successfully set, all set. Let's step by step zip code Excel, download this Excel. First of all, this new variable create get record is equal to this user table. Find $ID, this ID pass. This user table means user model. This table name is user. This by default Laravel, this model already include this model, user model. This model, check this model is available, this model by default Laravel model, and save file. This get record new variable file name is equal to token dot date ymd dot csv file, and close this. Header content description, content description, this file transfer. Header is available. This next, this description here, this is not available, this description here, this description, and next content as it is this here. This successfully add this name in this variable, create this variable and paste here. This paste and close this. This CSV download, header content type CSV download. Let's check this successfully set all header. Let's new variable create variable number and get CSV. This variable is equal to array. Get CSV array. Forest loop start. Forest this variable, copy this variable inside this new variable, create get book CSV. CSV is $key val, $val. Let's open this user model inside this book CSV user model. Inside this new create this user model, open this create public function and paste here. This paste here, copy and this paste, return $this yes many. This is a table name is a book table. This book model already available. This book model is available. This book table inside this book model, copy this book model and paste here. Class, this class name is a user ID, copy this user ID, copy user ID and paste and close this. This copy name and paste here. Same name is copy and paste. Let's token create or $token is equal to this value $copy and book name is available. Book name, this book image, this book image is a database name. This database name is this book table insert. This database name is available. This error create, copy this name and paste here. This $key copy and paste here. Token $token $file, this new variable create $file is equal to fo open php /output nw for s. This name is copy, this name copy and paste here. Paste yes $value put csv $file, this name already create this $file, this variable copy and paste here. $value fc clock $file and exist and save. Successfully set this Excel coding. This is good working. This all set. This route is a set. This table is a set. This book model, this list is set. Let's check this, refresh this page. This 2 number is available. 2 number is a 2 record is available. Let's click this CSV export. Click successfully export this token. This export. Let's check this. Good. This 2 number is a record is available. This 2 JPG name is available. This good. This Y and L. First of all, this Y and L. This good working. Let's check again. This close this file and don't save. Let's click this Excel CSV. Good working. This again. This only one record show. This good working. This only one record show. This fine. Good working. Let's check this only 2 record show. Let's check this 2 record show. Good working. This name is a good working. R and E. First of all, the R and E. This first word is a good working. All this CSV file export this file path. This all photo is an image. Successfully set. Successfully all export this name is this name. Let's all good. This is not available. This 47 ID is not available. This not available. This file is a blank download. Just click this and open this file. And this is a blank available. This good working. This is a blank available. This 34 is a blank available. This record is a not available. This record is available. This in this author is 2 record is available. Inside this 2 record is a download. Good working. Successfully set this JPG path. All step by step this coding is download. This writing this all code. This not a command line. Only this dynamic code PSP in this header set. This my error solution code. This same name is a website error solution code. This my script. Click this any contact this available. The script all project available inside this download and this pay the money and all Laravel project. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Please my channel subscribe. Thank you.